Are you confused about how to start a career in cybersecurity in 2026? Don't not worry. In this video, I will show you the main 3 career paths, the skill you need, and the best way to get your first job, even as a beginner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Gouri Tips. If you are interested in cybersecurity but don't know where to start, this video is perfect for you. Today I will break down the complete cybersecurity roadmap in a very simple way. Cybersecurity tracks. First one, defensive cybersecurity. It is also called blue team. Second one, offensive security. It is also called red team. Third one, governance and risk and compliance. It is also called GRC. First one, defensive security. First we have defensive security, also called the blue team. This role is all about protecting systems and stopping attacks. Roles include SOC analyst, security analyst, threat hunter, DFIR analyst. Skills you need: log and alert analysis, SIEM tools, incident response, good communication under pressure. This is the best entry level option for beginners. Second one, offensive security, also known as the red team. Here you think like a hacker and test system security. Roles include penetration tester, ethical hacker, offensive security engineer. Skills you need: networking and operating system, web and system vulnerabilities, exploitation techniques, technical reporting. This field is more advanced and requires strong fundamentals. Finally, we have GRC, which focuses on policies, risk, and compliance. Roles include GRC analyst, compliance analyst, security auditor, GRC manager. Skills you need: security frameworks like ISO and NIST, risk assessment, documentation, business communication. This is great if you prefer less technical roles. How to start? If you are beginner, don't not worry, start with the basics. Step 1. Learn operating system, Windows plus Linux. Step 2. Learn networking, TCP, IP, DNS, DHCP. Step 3. Understanding basic cybersecurity concepts, CIA, tried, malware, firewall, risk. My honest suggestion: if you are beginner, start with SOC analyst, blue team. Once you gain experience, you can move into red team, other advanced roles. If you found this video helpful, don't not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also comment below which cybersecurity path you want to choose, blue team, red team or GRC. I will see you in the next video.